So ayun na nga mga sports, Game 2 ng Gilas Women versus Germany. Napakadikit ng laban at napakaganda ng kanilang mga transition ng laro. Pero sadly to say, De La Rosa, second quarter pa lang, full foul na. Habang si Sugapong ay siya ang bumuhat ng kanilang team sa first hanggang second quarter. Nag-iinit si Sugapong dito sa dalawang quarter na ito dahil almost perfect ang lahat ng kanyang free throws. First five ng Germany mga sports, si Alexis Pettersson, Ima Ichimeyer, Leonie Fibic, Alina Hartman at Freda Buhner. At sa Philippines lineup natin mga sports, ang starting five, April Bernardino, Janine Puntejos, Luna Ozar, Stephanie Berberabe, and lastly, Casey De La Rosa. So ito na nga mga sports, ating tignan ang full highlight sa larong ito.
Another O board for Germany. This little Hartman will try again for three, and this time doesn't. Pulls up and wide open three on the wing, and it's good. Gets it to Pastrana. Extra pass underneath, beautifully done. She's got 9 points now. The other way, plus the back.
Just open up things. It's not just about scoring those three.
Ready with 11 points. Berberabe turnaround in the paint.
The other clubs will be looking, going, okay.
Oh yeah, she's
There's
on the radar
options here,
for sure.
you know what I mean?
In Philippines, 48, a very high scoring game. Over finds Bernardino. Shot fake. Takes it all the way.
Ang basketball. Habang nanunood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan. So, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!